Well, a positive day of trade for Tuesday, snapping that two-day negative run that we had, really after Wall Street served up a bevy of good news from Apple shares being upgraded to the China-US trade deal making progress. And this all pushed US equities to record high territory, with the benchmark S&P 500 now just 0.8% away from July's all-time high. The Chinese Vice Premier says Beijing will work with America to address both of their trade concerns, and we saw Apple shares be upgraded yet again by another analyst with a price target of $280, and that's suggesting its shares will jump over $40. And this fueled the tech-heavy Nasdaq to rise after Apple shares hit a record. The Nasdaq finished with a lift of about 0.8%. The Dow, meantime, had its gains put under a lid as Boeing shares remained under pressure, with the 737 MAX safety allegations still lingering. Across the Atlantic in Europe, Brexit uncertainty lingers, with the Brexit deadline now being potentially pushed to January 31, and despite this, stocks rose higher. Because global equities gained, gold fell to $1,488 an ounce, while the price of oil has slipped to $53.46 on supply concerns. So what's likely to happen today? Well, Afterpay shares are expected to fall slightly to $28.50. That's based on early price sell matches or price buy matches. However, their shares have been hit by 3 heavy days of selling, as investors are spooked that the RBA wants to review the buy now, pay later sector in its entirety, focusing on their fees and wanting businesses to pass on fees to the merchant. However, Afterpay, ticker code APT, threw water on the concerns yesterday, saying that the company provides much more value than just facilitating a transaction like credit card providers, and they instead help businesses grow through channel marketing and offering access to more consumers than originally thought possible. This is why Bell Potter sees little early risk to the RBA potential review, leaving it as a watch, wait and see. Bell Potter's price target is $41.61, and it's a buy stock for them. Looking ahead, Macquarie, the large bank, is expected to release their interim results next Friday, the 1st of November. Yesterday, their shares closed at $133.13, and its shares are expected to open high, with brokers being optimistic about their result. Overnight, Bell Potter says it's looking for key catalysts to upgrade the stock back to a buy. Bell Potter has a price target of $140 on the firm and expects the first half FY20 result to be slightly down by about 1.2%, lower than the same time last year's. However, Bell Potter is really searching for key catalysts to upgrade the stock and to restore its buy rating, as it's currently in a neutral or hold position. What else to watch today and overnight? Well, no major local economic news is out today. However, this evening in the US, the Fed Governor Michelle Bowman will give a speech, so all eyes and ears will be on her. And that's it. Happy trading.